Hello, everybody. Gbenga Olatunji here. We cannot but talk about risk management because of its importance to our professional development and business career. Risk everywhere, and it is risky equally not to take a risk. So we've been on risk management under corporate strategic management and ethics, which we call CSME, for a while now, and we have like 2 more videos to shoot as we are rounding up on it, and we'll be looking at risk concepts. When we're talking about risk concepts, we must talk about these are keywords in discussion that we usually feature when we're talking about risk management. So what are risk exposure or exposures? What does risk exposure mean? The dynamic nature of risk assessment must be discussed and must be known. What are risk appetites? How can we determine risk appetites? What are risk-based approaches to risk management? These are concepts, these are keywords that will definitely come up anytime we are discussing risk management. And after we are done with risk concept, we must but talk about identification, assessment, and measurement of risk. So this is the next video that you can expect that we are going to be pushing out identification, assessment, and measurement of risk. And when we are talking about measurement of risk, identification, and assessment of risk, we must look at risk identification. How should we identify it? The impact of risk on our stakeholders. We must critically look at it so that we can know how to approach it like MENDELOW theory says. So we must be able to identify our risk, then we'll be able to manage our stakeholder after the assessment of the impact. Then assessing the risk, we must look at the impact and the probability of occurrence. We are going to deal with it in detail. Measurement of risk, prioritizing our risk. What are these ones? What do they entail? Role of the board of directors in identifying and assessing risk must be known. Then we must talk about ALARP principle, that is as low as reasonably practicable. How can we reduce and manage risk? We must discuss equally the objective and subjective risk perception. We must talk about related and correlated risk factor. And after we are done with the risk management topics, then we will go into the next topic, which is on controlling risk. Controlling risk. And when we're talking about controlling risk, we must look at how to monitor risk, embedding risk into our business operation, method of controlling risk, and the enterprise risk management. We had loved that you subscribe so you will not miss on any of these topics that we are pushing out from Teachings Associates. Click comment should in case you have anything that you want us to talk about and push out. We would love to reach out to others through you. So when you subscribe, other people around you will be able to view and be reached out to. Then they too can enjoy what you can enjoy and what you are enjoying, and we can all make our world a better place to live for all of us. From James Associate channel, Gbenga Olatunji will be Signing off. We are value to life. We are value to your business.